Kitchen cabinets can be grouped into several types based on different parameters. Style: traditional. Inset cabinets. Very classy, inset cabinetry features doors and headers that sit inside the cabinet frames. Raised panel cabinets. This type is characterized with elaborated design and classic elegance. Shaker cabinets. Shaker style has been in trend for decades. Homeowners like it for simplicity and a clean, uncluttered look. Shaker cabinetry fits well both contemporary and traditional kitchens. Contemporary. Flat panel cabinets. One of the hot trends of the last few years. Homeowners like these cabinets for minimalistic and sleek design. Slab cabinets. These are cabinets with flat panel doors without contours. Clean lines of slab cabinets create a modern and spacious look. Slatted cabinets. Slatted doors provide a unique, sophisticated look to a kitchen. Mixed. Open shelving. Open shelves open up the space and add an airy feel. Open shelves are typically used in combo with conventional cabinets with doors. Beadboard cabinets. Cabinetry with vertical boards, framed or unframed, add some rustic vibes to the kitchen interior and are often used for kitchen islands. Location. Base cabinetry. Installed on the floor, these cabinets are meant for sinks, cooktops, and countertops. Base cabinetry helps to define the floor plan and offer plenty of storage. Cabinets usually have doors and/or drawers and are used for built-in appliances. Wall cabinetry. As the name implies, wall cabinetry is designed to stay above the counter's base cabinets and complement them in terms of storage and functionality. Tall standing. Full height, from the floor to the ceiling, cabinets visually expand the space vertically. Corner cabinets. They help to optimize the available space, expanding storage capacity. From base to tall standing, corner cabinets are usually custom designed and can include open shelves, drawers, and doors. Materials. Solid wood. Durable and chic, this is an ever-popular material for kitchen cabinetry. Some wood types can be expensive, though. Veneer. A particle board with a thin strip of natural wood gives a solid wood look but costs less. Fiberboard. A budget-friendly option. Cabinets of fiberboard look stylish and require minimal maintenance. Types of custom kitchen cabinets. Given the level of customization, both kitchens and cabinets can be divided into 3 categories. Custom tailored. As the name implies, you are free to select materials, finishes, layout, and hardware. Yes, manufacturing custom tailored cabinets takes time and costs more than ready options available at stores. However, the results will pay off. You'll have authentic, modern kitchen cabinets addressing your unique requirements. Semi-custom. The optimal solution for people who want to add a personal touch to cabinets and stay on a budget. Typically, cabinetry is offered in standardized sizes, but customers can choose hardware and door styles. Stock or pre-built. This is the most budget-friendly option as you choose from pre-built variants. Typically, cabinets of this type are less customizable, and you have to construct a kitchen from ready options. Now that you've got an idea of diverse cabinetry types, let out your imagination and create a dream kitchen with Groysman Construction.